Hi, in this video we are going to see how to connect PC to PC without any router, so you can share your files and data directly one system to another system without any external hard disk or pen drive. So in this way you can learn basic setup of LAN. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Here is my desktop and laptop. So I am going to show you how to connect and transfer files here. I am having this Ethernet cable. So one end I am going to connect in desktop. Another end I am going to connect in my laptop. After connecting with laptop and desktop using this Ethernet cable, the laptop and desktop is going to assign automatically some IP address, which I am going to change it in simple way, so I am able to easily track that IP. Okay, so look how I am connected. Like this you can connect and try and utilize. So let's start. I'm going to take you on my computer screen in few seconds. Yeah, here you need to go to network sharing setting, select change adapter option, right click on Ethernet and then status, check for IP address. It was showing something which you can't remember. So right click, go to properties and then select TCP IP 64 and then click on properties, click on use the following IP address. Here I am going to give the IP address to this PC. It is like 192.168.1.1. So subnet mask automatically it will take. In gateway you need to give the IP address of PC2, which is you are going to give in PC2. Then click OK and then close. Now I will take to you in PC2 screen. Here also you need to go to network sharing setting. Here you need to select change adapter option. Same thing we are going to do. Then right click, status you need to click, check what is the IP address. Here also something different IP address which you can't remember. So I am going to set according to PC1 IP address. So here you need to right click, go to properties. Here also you need to select TCP IP4 and select properties. Here you need to give the IP address 192.168.2, which we are giving in gateway of PC1. In here gateway will be the PC1's IP address 1.1, and then click OK and then close. So network setup is successfully done. Now to test this networking, it was successfully done. We need to go to PC1 and then select start and search for CMD command prompt. If you click on the CMD, in that you need to type ping space and then IP address of your PC2, that was 1.2. Hit the enter, you will find pinging is successful. Same way in PC2 also you need to click start, CMD and then enter and then type ping and then IP address of PC1, that was 192.168.1.1 and then hit the enter. So by this way you can check whether your systems are interconnected or not. In my case it was connected successfully. Okay, now I am going to share my drive. So that means one partition I am going to share, that was F:. Right click, select properties, Under properties, go to sharing, advanced sharing, share this file, enable it, and then you need to click on the permissions. And then you need to allow all, and then apply, and then OK, and then close. So now you can see the sharing symbol was came on the F colon. Now we will go and check in PC2 in my computer. We will open my computer window. We are going to type in address bar /. If you type /, whichever PC was sharing, it will be shown in second, and then the /1 and then hit enter. Here because I have username password set in my PC, so that's why it was asking for username password of that PC. So you need to give. If we didn't given any username password, it is not required. In my case I given, it was asking. So the same username password you need to enter. Here after entering, you will find the F colon was here, shared folder. The file which was in F colon, it was available in PC2. So let's try to copy it to PC2 D drive, local drive. I am going to copy these video files from shared folder to local drive, shared drive to local drive. I copied it and I am going to select D colon of local drive. Here I am going to paste it. So from my desktop to laptop, it is reached in few seconds. And same way, I am just going to copy this movie. I am going to select shared folder from network places, and I am going to paste it here. Like this, you can transfer your data from one system to another system. This is how this local area network works in multiple systems also. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.